Some breaking coming in here. In fact, sources have told India Today that so far there has been no progress on repealing farm laws as yet. While farmers remain adamant on withdrawal of the laws, the government is now in no mood to roll back or take that decision as yet. This is the information that we get from inside. Abhishek Anand joining us live from there. Abhishek, take us through the inside details of the meeting. We understand that the government is in no mood to repeal the laws while the farmers are adamant on that point. They've just completed talks on the MSP. Any word on the MSP as well? Any guarantee given to them? And take us through what's currently happening as we speak.
Well, Nabila, the meeting is still going on after the break. This time, one major development which has happened, we saw in the last meeting the two ministers sharing the lunch with the farmers. This time that didn't happen. The farmers gently asked the ministers to eat their own lunch, and they separated their facility, their langar, from the ministers. And now the government has clarified that they are ready for amendment in the three farm bills, but they are not going to repeal it. Union Minister Rajnath Singh has already said that there can be no talks on yes or no. So that is the government's stand, which has been clearly mentioned. Right now I'm at Ghazipur, and you can see how farmers are here. It's raining. It's cold, and farmers are crammed in their tractor trolleys, waiting for a favorable decision, waiting for their union leaders to return with a favorable decision to repeal all these farm bills. And now this marathon meeting is supposed to end after a couple of hours, and then we will see what exactly the farmer union leaders are coming out with. Nabila.
Thank you very much, Abhishek, for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.